Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you another handy feature of Anstrex that allows you to manage your favorites. Oftentimes when you're browsing, you come across an interesting ad or a campaign that you want to bookmark, so to speak. And the favorites feature precisely allows you to do that. And let me show you how it works. Let's say I am searching for life insurance ads, and I will see my results here, and while scrolling I may like an ad. Let's say I like this particular ad, and I want to save it for later use. So what I would do is just click here on the heart icon, and you can see that the icon turned red. That means the ad has been added to your favorite list. Let me go ahead and select a couple of more ads here. Let me select this one and this one here. Okay, so I've saved 3 ads into my favorite list. So where do we see these ads? Go here on the right hand corner of the screen, click on your username and select Manage Favorites. And as you can see, they have been added into my favorites default group that you see on the left side. Now I can add more groups. For example, I can add one more group, and I'm going to call it drones. My favorites, you see a little radio button that has been selected. What that means is that this particular group is the default group. So every time you save something, it will automatically go into this group. What we want to do is change this default group to drones. Okay, and I'm going to select that as my default group. And then I'm going to go back to my listings page, and I'm going to start searching for ads related to drones. So now I'm seeing a lot of ads here that are kind of related to drones, and I'm going to go ahead and select a few and add them to my favorite list. I'm going to select this one, scroll some more, and I think I like this one here, so I'm going to select this. Now let's go back to our favorite screen, and there you see, you can see those 2 drones ads that I selected earlier. They are present in the drones group. So this basically shows you how you can manage your favorites, create different groups, and store different creatives in different groups. If you want to delete a particular creative from a group, all you have to do is click on this icon, cross icon here, and you can just delete that. If you want to move one of the creatives from one group to another, all you need to do is just drag and drop into the other group. So if I go into the drones group now, I will see the life insurance creative that I dropped into that group. I can move it back into my favorites group here, and you will find it back in that group again. So it's pretty intuitive way of managing all your favorites. You can create unlimited number of groups and save unlimited number of creatives in each group. There is no limit to what you can do. And this is a great way to save the creatives as you are searching and browsing and want to save something that looks interesting or important. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again. Until then, cheers.